copy?
Yeah, can I get a corn in a cup? Everything on that?
Sure.
No problem. Today I'm making Mexican street corn in a cup. This is a staple street food, usually served with a variety of condiments, either on the cob or in a cup. Let's get started by microwaving 2 ears of corn for 5 minutes. Let's carefully remove them from the microwave and chop off the bottom. These are still hot, so using a towel or oven mitt, I'm going to grab the other end and shake it till the corn falls out clean. Stop laughing, there's nothing funny about this. Once we've removed the husks from our corn, we can cut all the kernels off the cob so we can cook them. Now into a pot of water, we're going to dump in our corn in slow motion, hopefully distracting you from the fact that probably about 10% of it missed the pot and is now all over the table. And we're just simmering this for about 15 minutes. While it simmers, I'm going to blend up some Hot Cheetos until they're fairly fine. This will give our corn some nice color and flavor. Once the corn is cooked through, we can begin assembling our cup. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter, a few scoops of drained corn, a little bit of water is okay, a few scoops of mayo, some hot sauce, cotija cheese, a spoon is probably better for this, some Hot Cheetos, and lime juice. I realized once it was time to make this that my limes were dried up, so enjoy my bottled lime juice. Now mix it all up and enjoy. I upload every Thursday. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.